push back and then start up on taxiway Kilo. Please advise when ready to taxi. Time 4-3.
Pushback and start approved on taxiway Kilo, and we'll call you when ready for taxi. Let me see, I'm curious now if I can send it up, because it's active, you see, so. Yeah, but it says 50,
Yeah, I use this delay function, right?
Do you accept intersection Kilo for departure when we're remaining 2,340 meters available?
Affirm, we can accept Kilo intersection departure.
Roger.
Can she say again the distance? Just curious.
Say again the distance remaining from intersection Kilo.
2,300 meters available.
2,300. Copy, thank you.
So that's 3.28. Yeah, so that matches what we have found.
Super.
Cool. Before start checklist whenever you're ready.
Yes.
Time and fuel as well. So
Ignition time and 2.
POV5, and I have to set the tire pressures. And as brief, there is the sun, so it might be quite blinding, but you already have the medication on your nose.
Yes. So I've noted the time and the fuel. So before start checklist, internet comes on. Safety pins.
Removed?
Yes, gravity cross low. Is checked. Windshield window heat. Is checked. Pressurization is set. Altimeters.
QNH1009 reading negative 20. Set and cross checked.
Set and cross checked. CAS.
Checked.
It's checked. Takeoff data is set. The trims are neutral. 4.2 is set. Passenger safety brief
Completed?
Passenger signs are on. Transponder out off, and emergency and takeoff briefings are completed if you have.
Yep.
Before start checks completed.
For the luggage, did you have to open the baggage door once again?
Yep.
And the leather is in, right?
Yeah. I didn't even extend the ladder outside.
Because for me that's always the number one thing, because it's so easy to
สวัส
overlook.
ดีค่ะบางการ251 Phuket Ground Taxi
There
1
was a
Papa
safety brief
San
about it
Number
as
2.
well. Yeah, someone forgot.
Number 2, Sabbaga 251.
Park and brake on.
Change.
And start checklist.
Start checks. Doors.
Closed.
Closed on here on my side. Parking brake.
On.
Fuel quantity and balance.
Checked.
Beacon.
On.
Left and right boost pumps.
On and checked.
Lead air.
Set for start.
Ignition A or B.
Bravo armed.
And right engine to start. My side is clear.
Starting right engine. Start time. And 2 and 1 ITT below 120. Light off. ITT, fuel flow, oil pressure. $55.
Starter disengaged.
And highest ITT 654. Back.
Get ground at the
6, 4, good start on the right engine.
1, 2,
Fuel system check valve operation.
Etihad 433 Phuket Ground, good morning. Time 47. Push back and start up. Please face north.
push and start is approved facing north at Etihad 433.
Checked.
And left engine to start.
Clear left. Starting engine. Number 1. Left engine. Start time. Two and 1. ITT below 120. Head off. ITT. Fuel flow. Oil pressure. $55.
Starter disengaged.
6. 50 highest ITT, rollback. 2, 5, 6, 4. Within 2%, good start on the left engine. After start checklist. And if you're happy, we do the APU at crossing the holding point.
Yeah. Can I do flight controls?
Go ahead.
Runway Jet 315 สวัสดีครับ stand number 6 ครับ information Sierra declare push back and start
Runway 315 ground สวัสดีค่ะ standby for push and start due to detour expect pushback time
S1
08
checks FMS 2, speeds posted 130, 34, 41, 69er. 14 speed, day 170 knots pre-selected. Autopilot coupled to my side, waiting for takeoff, one takeoff, 5,000 feet.
Good morning, Myanmar 354 Phuket ground taxi by Papa Hoshara Bravo.
1,590.
Papa Hoshara Bravo Myanmar 354
Cross check 3 times, and the 085 is bugged for the runway track, no flags, no warnings.
Okay, I've just had any speeds deselected, so I'm just reselecting.
Okay.
Cool, go ahead.
After start checks Gen 1, Gen 2, on AC and DC lag pages, checked. APU Gen,
Off.
10 stage bleeds are on the APU
On.
ignition,
This on.
packs on. 14 stage valves left and right were checked. Anti-ice wing is checked. Isolation valve is checked. Anti-ice cowl is checked. Wing and cowl anti-ice wing off. Cowl is still on for the check. APR.
Check down.
Ground and flight spotters.
Request estimate time ready for departure.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Roger.
Ground and flight spotters. Check.
So checked auto. Yep.
FMSs are synced. Flaps 20 is set. ADG controls units. Flight controls checked. No steer.
Armed.
Flight instruments and the CAS.
Right.
Takeoff, and one takeoff now. Thank you. Checked. CAS is checked also. And supplemental ground wing anti-icing is checked. Up to start checks completed.
Okay, non-standard. Takeoff checklist above the line.
Okay. Cabin.
Secure.
Secure. Ignition is off. Transponder TCAS TA array and above. Weather radar is now coming on. ATS and flight director engaged on my side. Above the line checks completed.
Thanks.
Ready for taxi?
Well, ready for takeoff, I guess.
Oh, yeah. We are ready for departure, runway 09.
Hold shuttle runway 09, traffic on final, contact tower 118.1.
Hold short runway 09er on Kilo and tower 118.1.
9.
Okay, you can do the takeoff brief once you talk to the tower.
Phuket Tower, good morning. Holding short runway 09er on Kilo, we are ready for departure.
Phuket Tower Roger hold short off runway 09 traffic on short final
Hold short runway 09er. Good, so take a brief review. As a reminder, we said we are stop-minded. For any performance-related problems, we are climbing 3,000 feet straight ahead, maintaining runway track with a heading mode, flight level change V2 plus 10, so 151 knots, and with the autopilot early engagement, climbing 3,000. And then for the normals, it would be the IGEVI 1 Alpha, initially straight ahead, and then first turn will be to the left, next 270 knots, climbing 5,000 feet with an F, vertical speed, and autopilot.
With autopilot on.
Yeah.
Okay, Let's transfer the plates, AP off. Nice.
Line up and wait runway 09.
Line up and wait, runway 09er.
Taxi left, takeoff is on, thank you, clear left.
Approach path is clear on right. So runways remaining for 3.
The lights are off.
Checked.
My brakes are checked.
IGEVI
Your brakes.
3029er, Westjet right Foxtrot, contact ground 121.9.
Brakes checked. Your brakes
Bucket right, Foxtrot, ground 121.9, IGEVI 3029, สวัสดีครับ
Taxi checklist.
Taxi checklist, but brakes checked. Checked. Thrust reversers checked. And takeoff brief was reviewed. Taxi checks completed.
Takeoff checklist below the line.
So takeoff checks below the line. Wing color anti-ice off. Windshield window heats are low. The probes are on. CAS.
Takeoff config okay.
Takeoff config okay. Runway heading.
Phuket Tower,
90
Singapore
degrees checked.
726, สวัสดีครับ Establish RNP Zulu runway
Takeoff
09
clearance to go.
Singapore
One open
726
item.
Phuket Tower, continue approach traffic lining up for departure.
Continue approach, Singapore 726
After departure, contact approach 124.7, wind 360 degrees, 3 knots runway 09, clear for takeoff.
After departure, contact 124.7 and clear for takeoff runway 09er.
Okay, obtained.
And obtained. Checks completed.
Your controls.
My controls. Check takeoff thrust.
Takeoff thrust checked. 80.
Checked.
E1, rotate. Nice. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Singapore 726, wind
Select
360
nav,
degrees,
nav.
3 knots runway 09,
Vertical
clear to
speed.
land.
Vertical speed.
Runway 09, clear to land, Singapore 726
And autopilot on.
Autopilot on.
On
Gear up.
F2. Checked. And F2. Autopilot. Vertical speed. Outside.
Phuket departures, good morning. We gave you 1 Alpha, passing 1,100, climbing 5,000 feet.
Approach identified, climb 1,000 feet.
Climb 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet set.
Check.
Turn left heading 035 and climb flight level 210.
Climb flight level 210, left heading 035.
Heading mode. Left turn 035. Set.
Checked.
And climbing 210. Speed is checked. Left 0.
Left 0 set.
Checked. Set standard. Passing flight level 49er. Now.
Standard set checked.
After takeoff checklist.
To takeoff checklist, landing a lever up, flaps 0, thrust reversers off, climb thrust, set, CAS, APR arm, pressurization checked, after takeoff checklist